A rectangular box open at top has volume of 32 cubic meters. Find the dimensions of the box that requires least material for its construction. Okay. So, இப்போ வந்து rectangular box ஓட dimensions of rectangular box என்ன இருக்கும்? Length, breadth, height. Okay. So, அதில் வந்து x வந்து length of rectangular box. Y வந்து breadth of rectangular box. Z வந்து height of rectangular box. Okay, volume is equal to XYZ is equal to 32 cubic meters. Okay, so Z is equal to 32 by XY. Materials required for construction is equal to total surface area S of the rectangular box, which is equal to LB plus 2 base into height plus 2 height into length. So this is equal to XY plus 2YZ plus 2ZX. We know that Z is equal to 32 by XY. So this is equal to S is equal to XY plus 2Y into 32 by XY plus 2 into 32 by XY into X. So S is equal to XY plus 64 by X plus 64 by Y. Now differentiate S with respect to X and Y. So dou S by dou X, dou S by dou Y. This is equal to Y minus 64 by X square. This is equal to X minus 64 by Y square. Now this is equal to 0. This is equal to 0. Implies X square Y is equal to 64, which implies Y is equal to 64 by X square. Okay, wow. This implies X Y square is equal to 64. Put Y is equal to 64 by X square in X Y square is equal to 64. So X into 64 by X square is equal to the whole square is equal to 64, which implies X cube is equal to 64. So X is equal to 4. Substitute X is equal to 4 in X square Y is equal to 64. So 4 square into Y is equal to implies Y is equal to 4. Therefore, points which we get is 4, 4. Critical points. Differentiate S again with respect to X and Y. Dou square S by dou X square, dou square S by dou Y square, dou square X by dou X dou Y. So this is equal to 0 minus 64 into minus 2 by X cube, which gives 128 by X cube. This is equal to 0 minus 64 into minus 2 by Y cube. This is equal to 128 by Y cube. This is equal to 1 minus 0, which is equal to 1. Now D is equal to dou square S by dou X square into dou square S by dou Y square into dou square S by minus dou X dou Y the whole square. So this is equal to 128 by X cube into 128 by y cube minus 1 square. So this is equal to 4 minus 1, which is equal to 3, which is greater than 0. D is greater than 0. Okay, dou square s by dou x square is greater than 0. Therefore, 4 comma 4 z is equal to 32 by xy. This is equal to 32 by 16, which is equal to 2, implies z is equal to 2.